Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hashim's Mind Spark, where learning is easy. In our last video, we learned what is a sentence. And today's topic is types of sentences. Let's begin. In English, there are four main types of sentences based on what they do. Declarative sentences. These are like statement sentences. They give us information or tell us a fact. Example, I like mangoes, she is a doctor. These kinds of sentences end with a period. Interrogative sentences. These are like question sentences. They are used to ask questions. So, for example, do you like mangoes or where do you live? These sentences always end with a question mark. Now let's talk about imperative sentences. These are like command sentences. These sentences give orders or ask for something nicely. For example, sit down or please help me. These sentences usually end with a period or sometimes, an exclamation mark if it's a strong command. So exclamatory sentences or emotion sentences are used to show strong feelings or emotions. Wow, what a beautiful day. Oh no, I forgot my homework. They always end with an exclamation mark. So remember, a statement ends with a period, a question ends with a question mark, a command ends with a period or exclamation, and an emotion ends with an exclamation mark. Simple, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Write 4 different sentences in the comments. Scene 3, like, share, subscribe. If you like this video, then like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Hashim's Mind Spark. With Hashim's Mind Spark, learning is easy.